Good morning to all. This subject is 19CE410 Water Resource Engineering, second year Civil Engineering. Myself, I am Dr. G. Venkateshan, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Savita Autonomous College, Chennai. The course outcome: there is no request for prerequisite. Then course outcome is on the successful completion of the course, student will be able to apply, build the knowledge of various components of hydrological cycle that affect the movement of water in the earth, like course outcome 1. Then understand the relate the various stream flow measurement techniques, the concept of movement of groundwater beneath the earth and characteristic of hydrograph in course outcome 2, where we can assess the flood and the drugs risk in terms of hazards and vulnerability, and analyze the measurement for mitigating and managing such risk in course outcome 3. Understand, classify the water resources system components per process to meet desired, like course outcome 4. And we can understand the illustrate the basic aquifer parameter and the groundwater resources for different hydrogeological boundary condition in course outcome 5. The application of this hydrology provide guidance for undergoing proper planning and management of water resources, calculate rainfall, surface runoff and precipitation. It determines the water balance for a particular region. It mitigates and predicts flood, landslide, and drought risk in the region. It estimates the water resources potential of the river basins, enable real-time flood forecasting and flood warming, hydrology analysis, the variations observed in the catchment by bringing a relationship between the surface water and groundwater resources of the catchment. Hydrology studies that required reservoir capacity that is necessary for irrigation and municipal water supply purposes during drought condition. It is used in the design and operation of hydraulic structure. It is used for hydropower generation, being measures to control erosion and sediments. Importance of water resources: the water cycle process like precipitation, infiltration, evaporation, and condensation. So it is a surface runoff through the slope based here from the surface water like a river, lake, stream, the groundwater through the aquifer. So unit 1: precipitation and abstractions, hydrological cycle, meteorological measurement, requirement, types and forms of precipitation, rain analysis of rainfall data using Titian and isotic methods, interception, evaporation, artesian equation based, pan evaporation, measurement and evaporation suppression, infiltration, artesian equation, double ring infiltrometer, infiltration indices. Unit 2: runoff, watershed, catchment and basin, catchment characteristics, factor affecting runoff estimation using empirical standing table and SCS method, stage research, radio shoot flow measurement, hydrograph, unit hydrography, IUH. Unit 3: flood and drought, natural disaster flood estimation, frequency analysis, flood control, definition of droughts, meteorological, hydrological and agricultural droughts, IMD method, NDVI analysis, drought prone area programs. Unit 4: reservoirs, classification of reservoir, general principles of design, site selection, spillways elevation, area, capacity, storage estimation, sedimentation, life of reservoir, rule curves. Unit 5: groundwater and management, origin, classification and types, properties of aquifer, governing equations, steady and unsteady flow, artificial research, RWH in rural and urban areas. So these are the reference material. Thank you.